In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add portfolio project on Wix. Start by opening your Wix website editor for the site you want to update. Give the editor a moment to load so you can see the full page canvas and the left-hand toolbar. We're going to add Wix's built-in portfolio tool so your projects display beautifully and stay easy to manage. Open the App Market from the highlighted option in the editor. In the App Market, use the search bar and type Portfolio. From the results, select the Wix Portfolio option, the one described as Showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio. This is the official app designed to organize projects and display them in a gallery with project pages. Click Add to Site to install it. Once it's added, you'll be taken back to the editor, and your new portfolio section will be highlighted on the page. Click the highlighted section to reveal its controls, then choose Manage Projects. This opens the Portfolio Manager, where you'll organize and add your work. Inside the manager, you'll see preset project types. Click Photography to view how a photography-focused set is structured, and then click UI Design to see a different style and categorization. This lets you quickly compare how your content might look. You can switch between these at any time, so pick the one that best matches your work. Now add your visuals. Click Add Images, then click Upload your images to bring files in from your computer. Choose the images you want to showcase, wait for them to finish uploading, and select the ones you'll include in this project. High-resolution images look great, but try to keep file sizes optimized so your site loads quickly. Descriptive file names and consistent dimensions can also help your gallery look professional and improve SEO. When your selection is ready, click Create Portfolio. If you're asked to confirm, click Create Portfolio again. Wix will generate the portfolio item and connect it to the gallery on your page. Back in the editor, you'll see the portfolio section highlighted. Take a moment to review spacing, image order, and text snippets so everything feels cohesive. Clear titles and short descriptions make it easier for visitors to understand your work at a glance, and thoughtful alt text improves accessibility. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. That's it. Your new portfolio project is live on your site and ready for visitors to explore. If you ever need to update images or details later, just return to Manage Projects